Welcome back, guys. Finally, the West Indies win a game. Russel bowled an immaculate final over to help the West Indies beat Bangladesh to gain their first victory in this year's T20 World Cup. All right. Nicholas Puran also hit 40 off 22 on a low, slow wicket at Sharjah. All right. So the Observer says the West Indies are still alive in the T20 World Cup. The defending champions beat Bangladesh by 3 runs in a cricket thriller that went down to the final ball on Friday, picking up their first win in their underwhelming title defense so far. Needed 13 runs off Russel's final over to collect their first victory themselves in the Super 12s. Bangladesh got it down to requiring 4 off the final ball to win the match. Mamadullah, the team's captain, attempted to smash a wide Yorker to the boundary but missed it completely, so the West Indies could then celebrate. Alright, he's a big player and executed for us, the West Indies wicketkeeper Nicholas Puran said of Russell, who conceded just 9 runs off the last over, and that was because of poor fielding that blighted the game for both teams. Alright, Bangladesh finished with 139 for 5, chasing 143 to win, and is almost certainly out of the tournament after 3 straight losses. West Indies recovered from a slow start to post 142 for 7 in their 20 overs, with Puran hitting 22 of 40, featuring 4 sixes towards the end of the inning to lift the total to something competitive. Okay, so finally, good news. West Indies win a match. We can feel a little sense of relief. Still more work to be done, but we are not going home early. All right, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.